This is the Marinco Bates 20 amp male stage pin end. This is my favorite end to have to build because it is so easy. Real quick, I'm going to show you, this is the packaging that it originally comes in. And if I take this guy and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pop it open just with a screwdriver. I'm going to pop this guy off, and then this bag has everything you need. It has the kind of copper cable covers that you actually stick in here, and then it's got the brass screws that you screw down, so you're not screwing down into the copper itself, you're screwing down onto that kind of crush cover there, and it pinches the copper there so it doesn't break all of the little copper strands. It works amazingly well. Now if you want to see it finished, this is what it looks like finished. It has little strain relief ends, these black parts that actually slot right here and right here in the top and the bottom, and it has this part right here which keeps all the pins in place if you don't want to mess with those while you're assembling it. So this thing is absolutely amazing. It makes working with these super easy. I mean, this is the fastest with this end. I am able to create one of these one of the cables with this male end on it super fast. It even tells you put your neutral or your white here, you put your green here, and then the hot or black, in this case it was black for me, goes right there. So if you're in the market for some male stage pinned ends, these things are incredible. They make it super easy for you to assemble them. Very clear instructions, has everything you need in this little baggie here, and then everything comes in this bag right here. If you're looking for one, I highly recommend this. This is by far my favorite.